Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Euro-US dollar FX for Monday, September the 28th. Well, a red body candle today and a continuation of the first time frame downtrend. The market is still making a lower high and a lower low, and a fairly large red body candle, which means that the sellers have made some decent net bearish gain on the day. The close is below the previous close, excuse me, which suggests that the sellers are keen, and they're certainly the bears were keener on the previous day, so the sellers have really tried to take control of this market. They've actually failed to close this market in control on the day, where they've closed the market around mid-range, so trading between the ranges, neither side has won that battle between the bulls and the bears. So a little bit of indecision coming into this market. As the market tried to trade down through this 146 area, we had buying coming in, and we can see the shadow on the bottom of the candle where the buyers came in and bought the market back up, and the bears had lost commitment. As the market was trading down around the low of around 145.60, the bears were certainly very powerful and showing very strong commitment, but the buyers came back in. Unfortunately, the buyers weren't strong enough to close the market back up anywhere near the highs. So that battle between the bulls and the bears has ended with neither side gaining control of the market. But what we can say is that the bears have lost commitment of this market, so not a good sign for a continuation of the first time frame downtrend. But by the same token, the bulls aren't really showing any strength either. The Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen have turned flat, which is reflecting the retracement of the market back towards the both of these indicators. And we can see here that the market has it's attempting to retrace back towards this equilibrium. The market is trading up above the cloud of the Kumo, which means that the market has an overall positive bias, and trading up the Kijun Sen, which means that it's bullish. But in the short time frame, the market is negative because it's trading down below the Tenkan Sen. We need to keep an eye on the lower current candle for a potential retracement back to the support at the Kijun Sen around 145. And if that area does hold, we should be looking for some sort of bullishness for a potential buy signal. Failing that, then there is potential support down around this previous resistance area around 144, and failing that, down around 142, where the top of the cloud or the Kumo is. If the market does trade up, we need to just keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential test of this 148.70 level, which was an area that we identified previously as an area of resistance.